Ever looked at your Android home screen and thought, wait, where's my Google search bar? Don't worry, it's super easy to add it back and it'll only take a minute. Here's how. First, press and hold on any empty space on your Android home screen. Next, tap Widgets. Now scroll down until you find the Google Widgets, then tap on it. You'll see a few widget options. Just choose the Google search bar widget and tap Add. Once it's on your home screen, you can move it anywhere you like and even resize it to fit your style. And that's it. From now on, whenever you want to search for something, just tap the search bar directly from your home screen instead of opening your browser first. Pretty handy, right? Try it out now and don't forget to share this with a friend who still doesn't have a search bar on their Android home screen.